1 bowl dark chocolate banana bread recipe. Yield 10 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 50 minutes. Total time 60 minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons 14 grams ground flax seeds, 6 tablespoons 90 milliliters water, 3 medium ripe bananas, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters vegetable oil not olive oil, 1/4 cup 60 grams applesauce, 1/2 cup 100 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon 5 grams baking soda, half a teaspoon 2.5 grams baking powder, half a teaspoon 2.5 grams salt, 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon 5 grams ground cinnamon, 1 3/4 cup 280 grams white wheat flour, 1/2 cup 90 grams dairy-free dark chocolate coarsely chopped. Directions: 1. In a large bowl, mix together the flax seeds and water. Let it sit for 5 minutes until it gels, mixing once halfway through. 2. Preheat the oven to 320 F 160 C and lightly grease a 9 by 5 inches. 23 by 13 centimeters or 12 by 5 inches. 30 by 13 centimeters loaf pan. 3. Once the flax seeds have gelled, add the bananas to the bowl and mash wheel. Then add the oil, applesauce and sugar and mix until well combined. 4. One by one, add the baking soda, baking powder and salt, stirring after each addition. Then add the vanilla extract and cinnamon and stir until well combined. 5. Add the flour a third at a time, gently mix until partly combined. Then add the chocolate and mix until just combined, do not overmix, reserve some chocolate if desired to sprinkle on top. 6. Pour into the greased pan and sprinkle on additional cinnamon and reserved chocolate chips if desired. Cook until the top is golden, the bread starts to pull away from the sides, and a toothpick comes out clean, about 50 minutes if using a 9 by 5 inches pan, and 40 minutes if using a 12 by 5 inches pan. 7. Allow to cool for 5 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool further. Slice, serve and enjoy. Notes: 1. Variations: feel free to add up to 1/4 cup dried fruit or roasted nuts if desired. 2. Storage: store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Wrap individually and store in the freezer for up to 1 month. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.